1 year ago, we decided here at Kongerbogården that we need an alternative to our restaurant next door, which is a traditional a la carte restaurant with gourmet food, which you normally pay €100 per person. So we decided we need an alternative to this concept during the crisis, and we decided to make this Italian concept. As you might see, we are next to the sea and the bridge, and we have a lovely view here. So it was very obvious for us to make this high chair and the high table in the middle of the room, so you can sit here and have a nice view over the sea. After choosing that how Europe would be a nice partner to deal with this furniture, we arranged the first meeting, and frankly speaking, we was a little bit afraid of the office look that the stainless steel add to this chair. But after the first meeting in the showroom, we could see that this discussion has been up with other customers, and they have found a solution where they painted the stainless steel so it has a more friendly look, a more exclusive look. The idea by making a less expensive restaurant made us consider how we could save some costs, and the table clothing is one very expensive cost in running a restaurant, and we decided to choose a very simple but elegant surface, namely oak. And also here we could say that how Europe was very interesting to find the right solution, the right supplier, and they delivered the tabletops that we needed. After presenting our ideas to how Europe, they were very keen to meet our demands, and were very anxious to get the best solutions, and they were very creative in the process, and they thought that they could assist us in some adjustments of our demands so that we could get the optimal solution.